to explain further to the House on this, to the sitting on this item, SDP position on coalition. We can all remember that recently there was this issue of coming together of major political stakeholders in the country and some political parties to form a coalition, which SDP was part of it in the initial stage. But later, the person that represented SDP in that coalition meeting explained to the coalition that SDP are still contesting the by-elections across about 12 states. And the party was not ready to lose our what? Identity. By so, the party decided to remain as SDP for the time being, until when we come here, sit down together and agree. Stakeholders were engaged later, and everybody agreed that the party should remain as an individual political party. That's SDP. SDP is not part of the coalition. We are waiting after the elections towards the end of the year. If the need arise, maybe there may be alliances to ensure that we succeed in the 2027 general elections. So I think, Mr. Chairman, the position of the party on the the position of the party is that SDP is open to infusion. SDP is open to collaborations to ensure that we win 2027 general elections. But SDP remain SDP. SDP remain SDP. SDP remain SDP. We are contesting in the 2027 general election with our presidential candidate and a vice presidential candidate. Maybe in the course of the journey, political parties may form infusions to ensure that we win the 2027 general election. But for now, we are appealing and telling our teaming supporters and members we remain across the country, from the state to the ward level to even the unit levels, that SDP remain SDP. Thank you very much. SDP is not part of the ADC that has been recently announced by the coalition group. Thank you very much. I have spoken the mind of all the NEC members. Yes. Is that the position of all the delegates in this NEC meeting? Yes. Thank you very much.
If they so want to. Because we are interested in what? Collaboration for the greater good of Nigerians. In the Social Democratic Party, there is nobody we prioritize like Nigerians. So therefore, we are open to contributions, to collaborations, as long as it is in the best interest and the progress of our dear nation. However, the SDP is still the SDP. So help us, God.
It is my great pleasure to have this nice time, particularly to say the 1 or 2 words based on the trust given to us by the members of the National Executive Committee of this party. Indeed, it is a great challenge, and we are ready for it. As you are aware, the party is in crisis. I believe we are going to do our best to see that we unite this party. all other actions instituted by the former NWC members of the two factions are hereby stepped aside. We are drawing a line. We are going to constitute a newly disciplinary committee and the reconciliation committee to look at the possible ways to reconcile the warring factions and to discipline the culprit. Indeed, I don't have much to say, rather than to thank all the National Executive Committee members for having trust, belief on us. Thank you very much. Committees are hereby what? Dissolved. And we are going to constitute the new standing committees. So no any committee in the SDP, pending when the NWC sit down and then set off another one. Thank you very much, and God bless you.